Hi, I'm Niels Berglund, Software Architect Lead at Gurukuls in Durban, South Africa. I'm also a Microsoft Data Platform MVP, and due to the latter, maybe due to the latter, I also am speaking at conferences around the world. And that is what I want to talk to you about today. You see, in September there is this awesome conference coming up, the Data Platform Virtual Summit 2022. And what I want to talk to you about is why you should speak at the Data Platform Summit. So I'm a fan of David Letterman. He used to be a late night TV show host in the States, and he quite often started his shows with a top list of things to do. The top 10 list of what you will do when something happens. So what I want to do is I want to talk to you about the top 5 reasons to speak at Data Platform Summit. So, reason number 5. Data Platform Summit is one of the leading data-oriented conferences in the world. There are maybe 2 or 3 or 4 really top conferences, and Data Platform Summit is definitely one of them. Reason number 4. It is a truly global conference. You have attendees from around the world. This year it will run 24 hours. It will cover every time zone in the world. Reason number 3. You can make a name for yourself. You can show the attendees what you know. They will come away having been imparted knowledge by you. It's a beautiful thing. Reason number 2. Yes, it's a virtual conference. I had hoped it would be in face-to-face live, but due to COVID situation, it is virtual. But the platform it runs on is awesome. It is almost like speaking live. You have lounges, you have your speaker room where speakers are getting together. You have the rooms where you're speaking. It is absolutely fantastic conference. Then, reason number 1 why you should speak at the Data Platform Summit. The organizers. They are fantastic. They are bending over backwards to cater to your what you need, what you want to do, and make the conference as good for you as possible. I cannot tell you enough how good the organizers are, Amit and his crews. So that's the 5 reasons why you should speak at the Data Platform Summit. So without further ado, put together your abstract, submit it at this URL here, and maybe we'll see each other at Data Platform Virtual Summit 2022 in September. If you want to talk more about this, here are my contact details, Niels Berglund, and you can see my email address, my blogs, all that stuff. So please put your abstract together, email it to this, put it into this URL, and if you have questions, please pick me. I'll leave the URL up here for a little while, and with that I'm saying bye.